Today, I'm trying to get us ready for the summertime because I want to do some night fishing this summer. So we're going to put some LEDs in the boat. We got deck lights, we got new nav lights for the front, we got some transom lights that I'm going to put on to really brighten up everything. I got some lights I'm going to put in the storage compartments as well, so I can see what's going on. I just love seeing her. Look at her, fine as she want to be.
How are you?
How you doing, good looking? Where you going at?
See, the boat's parked today, huh?
The boat is parked today.
Good.
What?
There's some things that need to be done around the house.
Alright, so I got two different color lights. White and red. Bought both of these off of Amazon. Try to leave a link in the description for these. They weren't really expensive at all. I think 10 or 12 bucks each. About two of each, so roughly 50 bucks tied into that. Now, this right here is going to be my power supply. I bought this little battery from 12-volt battery from Walmart for 25 bucks or something like that. But because of the number of LEDs, which they don't draw much power, much amperage at all, so I'm not really concerned about that. But I've got a bunch of electronics already going to one battery, my trolling battery, so I don't want to put too much draw on it. Actually, they're going to my cranking battery, excuse me. So I don't want to put too much more on that circuit. My live scope is on a separate battery as well. I did a cool battery pack out of an ammo box. You've probably seen that before, but if you haven't, I'll show you a clip of that at some point, maybe in this video. But anyway, I've got this that I'm gonna set up as my power supply. We'll get to that later on. I just brought it out to test the lights out. Let's see what those reds look like. You're supposed to unroll this before you test it, but I'm just gonna hit it quick. Supposedly they get hot on the roll, but I just want to see what that red looks like. Red. Let me see. Oh, be smarter than what you're working with. That's what they always say. Smarter than what you're working with. Ooh. Ooh. That's gonna be pretty. Alright, it's gonna be pretty. They say the key to making this adhesive really stick is making sure you get everything nice and clean. So I've got alcohol, a rag, peeling off some of the red paint. And I'm just gonna keep rubbing it till I feel like it's really, really clean. I'm committed now. I got the first 3 inches on. Repeat.
Are you doing white and red, babe?
Because the white is for utility purposes.
But you can pick which ones you're gonna turn on?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
So I hear a really good question coming my way. Eric, why didn't you get the RGB plus white strips? Quick answer, easy answer. I wanted to, but they only had the RGB plus warm white, and I wanted bright white for utility purposes. As we move to the starboard side, it gets a little more complicated. Reason being, my console, as you get to the console right here, all of this is padded, so I can't reach underneath the gunnel like I did on the other side. So unfortunately, I'm not going to have any lights back here. I'm not really concerned about that because, one, I don't fish off the back of the boat that often. For two, I think they will be bright enough off the port side to light up everything real good across the deck. I could make that work, but it just won't look as good as I would like for it to look. And it would take quite a bit and be a little bit more hassle than I think it's worth. I'm actually going to connect these ends with the ends of the red and white on that side, and I'll have the switches at the console. Battery is probably going to go in that compartment right over there where I store my tackle. I think that's what we're going to do. Seems like a good plan. It'll be easy access for everything. May have to drill a few holes here and there, but that's not a big deal. Be fine. Drilling holes in a boat. I was worried about that, right? Not this guy. Gotta make sure they didn't get me one time. Repeat. Phase 1 is complete. Storms are rolling in, so I gotta call it quits for right now. But stay tuned for part 2 of this install coming very, very soon. Hopefully here in the next couple of days I'll get a chance to get this done, get everything wired up the way it needs to be, and be able to share all that with you guys. Be sure to give me your thoughts on this install. Tell me what you think. Anything else you think I should do to the boat in the near future, let me know. All right, thanks for watching. See y'all.
Hog. Get up out of here.
Real.
I'm reeling.
Get him up out of here.
I'm reeling. Come on, Hog.
Big drum.
Oh my gosh. You heard me?
Mm-hmm. Hog.
Hog. Ooh, he looked like he could just crush bottle.
Nah. Ain't got him by the top lip.
Bye.
Quick release.